Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your profile. Click on the post which you want to archive. Then click on the three dot icon on the top right corner of your picture. And here you see the option of archive. So simply click on that and wait for a while, and now your post will archive. And if you want to unarchive your post on Instagram, so simply click on your profile picture and click on the menu option on the top right corner, then click on archive. Here you just select a post which you archive, then simply select post archive, and here select a picture or video which you want to unarchive. Then click on the three dot icon, and here you just simply click on show on profile, and that's it. Now you will be able to archive and unarchive Instagram post. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.